What's going on, guys? Angelo here. Welcome to Around the Track. This is where we talk about all the hot and new things going on within the coaster community. And today I've got some great news coming out of Six Flags Great Adventure. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Alrighty, so we're going to go straight into it and keep it quick. Also, if you're wondering why the video looks a little bit different, I am trying something new. Try filling your screen now on YouTube and seeing if that works. And I'm just trying something new to see how it looks on like mobile phones now. But getting right into it, Six Flags Great Adventure just announced today, which is February 17th, 2020, that they have now gotten the first pieces of track. It's really the first trucker track. I'll be going to this park again for sure. I don't know how many times I'll be able to get up there this year, but I at least want to go up there a couple times because that was an awesome park. It was definitely my favorite Six Flags park I've been to so far. I've only been to two of them, which was Six Flags America, and you guys already know how that park is. It has some decent rides, but it's not all that. The one in New Jersey, though, is awesome. And the fact that they're going to be getting the longest single rail coaster, I'm so excited to see how this is going to be. This will be my first single rail coaster. That's really all the news that they had today. I just wanted to let you all know and try to keep you guys posted on like at least the parks that I go to. I want to keep you posted as much as possible for what they're doing and for the coasters that they're getting. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Enable post notifications to stay up to date with everything that's happening on the channel. And remember to check out my Patreon. You can get all this stuff, bonus episodes. You can do live chats and everything for just $3 a month. It's ad free. Just check it out. The link will be in the description box below. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time. Peace.